Hello, we're going to look at copy and clone with structs. I've got a struct for a car with an engine, doors, model. So the engine, U16, doors, U8, model, string. Because the model is there, we need to use clone. We'll demonstrate that shortly because without clone, we could just do copy. And that would be implicit. But because of the model, which is a string, which lives on the heap, that is forcing us to use clone. And why is this red? It's because it's in the wrong order. So on number 1 here, we've got print my car and then print my car.clone. Well, you can't clone it because we've already consumed it on this line. So print car is just a very small function that actually prints struct. We can print it here, but we can't print the clone of it because we've already consumed it. But if we swap these two around, we could, there we go. We could clone it first, run the function on it to print it, and then we could print the original. That will compile. It should have done. There we go. So we've shown that once a struct has a string in it, we have to use clone. Let's take the string out. In fact, I'll just comment it out. And we'll take it out of the instance of it as well. And we don't actually need to use clone anymore because we're going to add copy. So if we add copy in here, copy and clone work together, and then we get a copy of the car. So this line will consume the car, but then we get a copy of it. So this will compile. See? So the copy works when you don't have a string in your struct. If you have a string in your struct, then you need to use clone. That is if you are passing by value. If you're passing by reference, then different story. So this is something you can, I can leave this in the Rust playground with a link in the video description if it helps. But really, probably best just to do it yourself and experiment. So with the string, you need to use clone, and you actually need to use .clone. If it's just integers in the struct, then you can have an implicit copy. So that's actually a copy there. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe as well. Thank you.